Train your mindset and rebuild your identity through English. What if I told you that your brain has been lying to you for your entire life? What if every time you felt stuck, unmotivated, or pulled backward, it was not weakness, but a pattern your mind built long ago and never questioned? My name is Wason. You are listening to Learn English Listening, and today I am not here to comfort you. I am here to challenge you. Imagine this. You open your eyes before sunrise. The room is quiet. Your chest feels heavy even though the day has not begun. You sit up slowly, and your mind whispers the same tired thought. Another day, another loop, another version of yourself that looks exactly like yesterday. You walk to the mirror, and for a moment you cannot tell if you are living or simply repeating. Let me ask you something before we go deeper. Where are you listening from? And what hour of the day is it where you are? Tell me. I want to know. If you have ever felt that your life is moving but you are not alone. Many adults feel this silent frustration, the desire to grow, mixed with the fear that nothing will change. But today, you will understand why this pattern keeps happening, and more importantly, how to break it with the smallest actions spoken in simple English. By the end of this message, you will see why your actions feel disconnected from the person you want to become. But before any change can happen, you must face the part of you that keeps pulling you back. That is where we begin. There is a certain kind of frustration that only adults understand. It is the frustration of trying hard and still ending up in the same place. You make promises to yourself. You write plans. You tell yourself that this time you will be stronger. This time, you will stay focused. This time, you will finally rise. Yet before the day ends, the old pattern returns, and you feel the quiet sting of disappointment. Let me ask you a question that requires honesty. Have you ever promised yourself a fresh start in the morning and broke that promise before the sun even reached the middle of the sky? If your answer is yes, say it in the comments. I want to hear your truth. I once stood in my living room long after midnight. Papers were spread across the table, goals written with hope. Ideas that once felt powerful now looked like abandoned notes from another lifetime. I stared at them and realized something that changed me forever. I was not failing because I lacked discipline. I was failing because my brain was still loyal to the person I used to be, not the person I wanted to become. Your brain remembers the old version of you, the version that hesitates, the version that waits, the version that chooses comfort over progress. And because your brain believes this is who you are, it tries to protect you by pulling you back into the same habits again and again. You do not break this pattern by forcing yourself into a big change. You break it by understanding the truth. Your brain is not your enemy. It is simply following the old script it has repeated for many years. To change your life, you must first change the script. And that begins with one simple idea. Here is the idea that changes everything. Your actions do not follow your identity. Your identity follows your actions. One small action repeated over time shapes who you believe you are. And who you believe you are shapes the life you create. Your brain is like a detective. It watches you quietly. It studies your behavior. It does not care about your promises. It does not care about your intentions. It only cares about what you repeat. When you do something once, your brain calls it an accident. When you do it the second time, your brain raises an eyebrow. When you do it the third time, your brain says this must be who we are now. This is the first English phrase I want you to learn today. Identity loop. An identity loop is the cycle where your tiny action shapes your self-image, and your self-image shapes your next action. For example, if you read one page each day, your brain begins to believe you are a reader, not because you say it, but because you do it. The second phrase is micro-action. A micro-action is a step so small that you cannot fail. It is the opposite of trying to change your whole life in one day. When you take a micro-action, your brain relaxes. It accepts the new behavior without resistance. And that is how real change begins. The third phrase is Behavior trigger. A behavior trigger is something in your environment that gently pushes you toward a specific action. A book on your table, a water bottle on your desk, a pair of running shoes near your bed. These are small signals that shape your behavior without force. Tell me in the comments. Which phrase speaks to you the most? Identity loop, micro-action, or behavior trigger? I want to hear your voice. When you understand these three ideas, you begin to see the truth. You do not need to become a new person. You need to behave like one in small, simple ways. That is how identity changes. That is how life changes. There comes a moment when all the ideas begin to click together. You realize that your brain is not holding you back on purpose. It is simply following the path you have walked the most. A path formed by repetition. A path strengthened by habit. But here is the powerful truth. You can build a new path at any moment. Not by fighting the old one, by walking a new one again and again. Imagine this. Each morning you reach for your phone the moment you open your eyes. Your brain watches you and whispers, "This is who we are." A person who starts the day with distraction. Now imagine something different. You sit up, you take a slow breath, you drink a little water, you stretch your hands and shoulders, you give yourself a moment of clarity before the world begins. Your brain watches this too. And after a few quiet mornings, it whispers a different message. Maybe this is who we are now. This is how transformation starts. Not with a loud declaration, not with a dramatic decision. It begins in silence, in the small space between who you were and who you are becoming. And every time you choose the new action, the old path grows weaker. Not because you defeated it, but because you simply stopped walking on it. Tell me this. What habit do you want to rebuild from the beginning? Say it out loud in the comments. Speak the truth of who you want to become. When you repeat a new action day after day, something powerful happens. You begin to trust yourself again. You begin to respect yourself again. And that feeling, that quiet rise of self-respect, is the real beginning of change. Take a breath with me. You are not late. You are not broken. You are not behind. Your brain can still change today, and tomorrow, and the days that follow. The paths inside your mind are not permanent. They are living. They are growing. They are waiting for your next step. Let us bring everything together. Your identity is not a fixed story. It is a collection of paths you choose to walk. A micro-action repeated with honesty becomes a habit. A habit grows into a pattern. A pattern becomes a belief. A belief becomes a life. This means you can begin again at any moment. Not by force, not by pressure, but by choosing one small action that pulls you toward the person you want to be. Design your environment so your good choices become easy. Place the book where you can see it. Place the water where you will reach for it. Place the tool of progress where it meets your eyes before distraction does. Let your space support you. Let your surroundings lift you. When the environment changes, the mind follows. There is one question I want you to answer before you step into the rest of your day. At this moment, you stand between comfort and growth. Which path will you take? If this message woke something inside you, share it with someone who needs a steady voice today, and subscribe so we can keep walking together step by step, in English and in life. Before you leave, tell me the first micro-action you will begin with tomorrow morning. Speak it. Claim it. Let it be the first step toward your new path.